The national animal of Zimbabwe is the African elephant. The fingerprints of a koala are so similar to humans that they have been mistaken at crime scenes. The national bird of the United States is the bald eagle. A group of giraffes is called a tower. The national bird of India is the Indian peafowl, peacock. The longest recorded flight of a chicken was 13 seconds. The national bird of Canada is the common loon. The dot over the letter I is called a tittle. The national bird of Australia is the emu. A newborn kangaroo is about the size of a lima bean and spends months developing in its mother's pouch. Stewardesses is the longest word that can be typed using only the left hand on a QWERTY keyboard. The national bird of Brazil is the rufous-bellied thrush. The national bird of China is the red-crowned crane. The national bird of Colombia is the Andean condor. Armadillos can carry leprosy, making them one of the few animals that can transmit diseases to humans. The national bird of Egypt is the steppe eagle. The national bird of Finland is the whooper swan. Hawaii officially became the 50th state of the United States on August 21, 1959. The national bird of Indonesia is the Javan hawk eagle. The national bird of Iraq is the chukar partridge. The national bird of Japan is the green pheasant. The national bird of Kenya is the lilac-breasted roller. The national bird of Kuwait is the falcon. The national bird of Madagascar is the crested ibis. The national bird of Malaysia is the rhinoceros hornbill. The national bird of Mexico is the golden eagle. The national bird of Myanmar, Burma, is the gray peacock pheasant. The national bird of Nepal is the Himalayan monal. The national bird of the Netherlands is the European robin. The national bird of Nigeria is the black-crowned crane. The national bird of Pakistan is the chukar partridge. The national bird of Peru is the Andean cock of the rock. The national bird of the Philippines is the Philippine eagle. The national bird of Portugal is the Barcelos rooster. The national bird of Qatar is the Arabian oryx. The national bird of Russia is the Eurasian golden oriole.